Okay, now let's go ahead and look at some expressions to evaluate that have parentheses, exponents, and division. Evaluate. 4. A equals 2, m equals 3, and x equals 5. Right? In this expression, 4m squared divided by 2a. Now, let's look at it carefully, right? We have two ways to do this substitution problem, right? We can either substitute the variables for the numbers first, and then solve, divide, use exponents, multiply by the coefficients, or we could just easily go ahead and just substitute. I prefer substitution first, so it's up to you. Go ahead and substitute. What do we get? M equals 3, right? So I'm going to recopy this whole problem once more, right? And where I have m, I'm going to delete that m and put the 3. And put the 3. Okay? Now remember that the 4 is the coefficient that multiplies m squared, right? So I'm going to not forget and put the multiplication sign there, right? Wherever I see the a, right? Go ahead and replace it right? With the 2, right? And we know that whenever we have 2a, it's 2 times a, so go ahead and put the multiplication sign in between. So you've got 4 times 3 squared, which is 3 times 3, because 3 times itself twice. Bring down the division sign, 2 times 2. Alright, let's try this. 4 times 3 times 3. 4 times, what's 3 times 3? 9. Notice how I do a little bit at a time. 2 times 2, 4. Right? Now I have a choice. Here brings us back to PEMDAS, right? We always got to work from parentheses all the way to subtraction. And which one comes first? No parentheses? No exponents here. And we have multiplication, and we have division. You're probably wondering which one do you do first. Do you do division, 9 divided by 4? Or do you do 4 times 9 first? Which one? The truth is, because they're in the same line, it does not matter which one you use. Okay? First. So if you had a choice between multiplication and division going from left to right, it doesn't matter if you do division first or multiplication first. I'm going to do multiplication first because it's going from left to right. It comes first. It's left. So 4 times 9 is 36, right? Go ahead, divide by 4. What is 36 divided by 4? 9. Correct. And we are done with this problem.